Hello students, welcome back. So we are doing exercise 22b from trigonometry, isn't it? And we have completed till question number 26 in our previous video. So today we'll start right from question number 27. Okay, so let's begin. So this is question number 27 from exercise 22b. If sec a equals to root 2, the value of sec a is given to us root 2. Okay, and we are asked to find the value of this expression. So let's do this question. Since sec a equals to root 2, isn't it? Sec a equals to root 2. So we can consider there is 1 in the denominator of root 2, isn't it? So sec a means hypotenuse upon base. Just the opposite of cos A is sec a. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, so sec theta is hypotenuse upon base. So we have hypotenuse equals root 2, hypotenuse equals to root 2, base equals to 1. So we need perpendicular, isn't it? Perpendicular is unknown to us. Let us apply Pythagoras theorem to find perpendicular. Since perpendicular square equals to hypotenuse square minus base square, isn't it? Or perpendicular square equals to, what is hypotenuse? Root 2. Root 2 square minus base is 1 square. Or p square equals to root 2 square means 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Okay, minus 1 square is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Or p equals to 2 minus 1 is 1, isn't it? We take this square to the right hand side, becomes root under, or p equals to root under 1 means 1. So we found the perpendicular is 1, isn't it? Now let us find the value of this expression. Since, okay, let me start from here. Okay, so since 3 cot square a plus 2 sine square a whole upon tan square a minus cos square a, isn't it? Or this will give us 3 cot theta means base upon perpendicular. So what is base? Base is 1. And what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is also 1. Base is 1 and perpendicular is also 1. Base upon perpendicular, whole square. Okay, plus 2 sine means some people have perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is 1. And what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is root 2. 1 upon root 2. So we have squared here. So we put square. Whole upon tan theta means perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is 1. Okay. Upon base is also 1. 1 upon 1 whole squared. Minus cos theta means base upon hypotenuse. Base is 1 and hypotenuse is root 2. Whole squared. Okay, so you can see 1 upon 1. 1 upon 1 means 1, and that 1 squared means 1, isn't it? 1 into 1 is 1. 1 upon 1 is 1. That 1 squared. Squared means multiply 2 times, isn't it? So 1 into 1 is also 1. So that 1 into 3 will give us 3 plus 1 squared is 1. Root 2 squared is 2. Okay, so you can see 1 squared is 1, root 2 squared is 2, isn't it? So 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, so 2 upon 2 into 1 is 2 upon 2. Whole upon 1 upon 1 is 1, 1 squared is 1, minus 1 squared is 1, root 2 squared is 2. This 2 and 2 can be cancelled. We have 1 here. So 3 plus 1 upon 1, isn't it? 3 plus 1 upon 1. 1 upon 1 means 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. So 1 minus half will give us half, isn't it? 1 minus half will give us half. So let me do here. 4 upon 1 upon 2, which means 4 into 2 upon 1, isn't it? This 2 goes to the numerator, 1 comes down to the denominator. So 4 to the 8, 8 upon 1, 8 upon 1 means 8. So the value of this given expression is 8. Okay, I hope you got this. Now let us do the next question. Okay, let us do question number 28. If 5 cos theta equals to 3, evaluate this. Okay, which means the value of 5 cos theta is given to us. We are asked to find the value of this expression, isn't it? So let us do this question. Since 5 cos theta equals to 3, or cos theta equals to 3 is already in the right hand side. Now let us take this 5 to the denominator of right hand side. Okay, this 5 goes to the denominator. Cos theta equals to 3 upon 5. So cos theta means base upon hypotenuse, curly brown here, isn't it? So we have base equals to 3, hypotenuse equals to 5, and perpendicular is unknown to us. Let us find perpendicular by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so we know p square equals to h square minus b square, isn't it? Or p square equals to, what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is 5. 5 square minus, what is base? Base is 3. 3 squared. Or p squared equals to 5 squared is 25 minus 3 squared is 9. Or p squared, let me take this square to the right hand side. Okay, p equals to 25 minus 9 is 16. This square goes to the right hand side, becomes root under. Or p equals to root under 16 means 4, isn't it? 4 4s are 16. So we found perpendicular is 4. Perpendicular is 4. Okay, hypotenuse is 5, perpendicular 4, base is 3. Now let us find the value of this expression. Since cosec theta plus minus cot theta whole upon cosec theta plus cot theta, isn't it? So what is cosec theta? Hypotenuse upon perpendicular, just the opposite of sin theta, isn't it? So sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Some people have cosec theta is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse is 5 upon perpendicular is 4, minus cot theta is base upon perpendicular, because tan theta is perpendicular upon base, turns permanently black, just the opposite of tan theta is cot theta. Okay, base upon perpendicular. What is base? 3 upon what is perpendicular? 4. Now cosec theta again. Cosec theta is hypotenuse upon perpendicular, isn't it? So hypotenuse upon perpendicular plus cot theta, base upon perpendicular. What is base? Base is 3, perpendicular is 4. So we take the LCM of 4 and 4. The LCM will be 4. 4 and 4, the LCM will be 4. In the numerator, 5 minus 3 whole upon, the LCM is 4 again, and the numerator 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. Okay, so this 4 and this 4 can be cancelled. So 5 minus 3 is 2, isn't it? So 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. This will give us 1 upon 4. So this is the answer for question number 28. Okay, the value of this expression is 1 upon 4. Now let us do the next question. Okay, let us do question number 29. Cosec A plus sin A is 5 whole 1 upon 5. This is the given condition. We are asked to find the value of this expression. Okay, cosec A square A plus sin A square A. Now, since cosec A plus sin A, cosec A plus sin A is 5 whole 1 upon 5, isn't it? So 5 5 is 25 plus 1 is 26. 26 upon 5. 5 5 is 25 plus 1, 26 upon 5. This is the given condition. Now let us find the value of this expression. Okay, since cosec square A plus sin square A, sin square A, isn't it? So we know the formula A square plus B square. What is the formula for A square plus B square? A plus B whole square minus 2AB, isn't it? A plus B whole square minus 2AB will give us A square plus B square. Now let us assume cosec A as A, sin A as B. So A square plus B square will give us A plus b whole square minus 2ab cosec a into sin a. Okay, so cosec a plus sin a. Cosec a plus sin is 26 upon 5. So cosec a plus sin a means 26 upon 5 whole squared minus 2 into cosec a into sin a is sin theta into cosec theta equals to 1. Okay, sin theta and cosec theta are just the reciprocal of each other. So sin theta into cosec theta is 1. Sin theta means perpendicular upon hypotenuse into cosec theta means hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So p and p cancels, as and as cancels. So 1, isn't it? Sin theta and cosec theta means 1. Okay. Now this 2 is here. Cosec a into sin a means 1. So what is the square of 26? 26 squared means 2 squared is 4. Okay. 6 squared is 36. 2 6 is 12, 12 2 is 24. So 6, 4 plus 3 is 7, 4 plus 2 6, isn't it? 3 plus 4 7, 4 plus 2 6. 6 7 6. Okay, 26 squared means 6 7 6. 5 squared means 25. 25 minus 2 ones are 2. Let us take the LCM of 25 and 1. LCM will be 25. 1 into 6 7 6, 6 7 6 minus 25 2s are 50. So 676 minus 50. 6 minus 0 is 6. 7 minus 5 is 2. This 6 comes here, divided by 25. So can we cancel this number? No, because this is even number and this is odd number, isn't it? So 626 divided by 25, because this is an improper fraction. So let us convert this into mixed fraction. Okay, 25 2s are 50. So 2, 6 minus 5 is 1, isn't it? So this 6 comes down. 25 4s are 100, 25 5s are 25 5s are 1 to 5. 6 minus 5 is 1, isn't it? So 25 whole 1 upon 25. This will give us 25 whole 1 upon 25. 25 into 25 is 6 to 5. Plus 1 is 6 to 6 upon 25. Okay, so this is the answer for this expression. The value of this expression is 25 whole 1 upon 25. Okay, so let us do the next question. Okay, let us do the last question from this exercise. Question number 30 of exercise 22b. Okay, we have completed each and every question from this exercise as well, isn't it? Please find the playlist and watch the full video. Okay, so let us do this question. Question number 30 of exercise 22b. If 5 cos theta equals to 6 sin theta, this is the given condition. 5 cos theta equals to 6 sin theta. We are asked to find the value of these two expressions. Okay, since 5 cos theta equals to 6 sin theta. Now let us bring the 6 to the denominator of 5 by cross multiplication. Okay, 5 upon 6 equals to sin theta is already in the right hand side. Now let us take this cos theta to the denominator of sin theta by cross multiplication. Cos theta will go down here, cos theta, or sin theta by cos theta means tan theta, isn't it? So tan theta equals to 5 upon 6. So this is the answer for this expression. We are asked to find the value of tan theta. Tan theta is 5 upon 6, isn't it? So this is answer for question number 1. Tan theta is 5 upon 6. Now tan theta is perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is 5, isn't it? And base is 6. So we don't know hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is unknown to us. Let us find hypotenuse by applying Pythagoras theorem. Okay, since h square equals to perpendicular square plus base square, isn't it? Or h square equals to, what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is 5 squared plus what is base? Base is 6 squared. Or h squared equals to 5 squared is 25 plus 6 squared is 36. Or h equals to 6 plus 5 11, 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 is 6. So we take this square to the right hand side, root under 61. Okay, hypotenuse equals to root under 61. Now let us find the value of that expression. Since question number 2, okay, 12 sin theta minus 3 cos theta whole upon 12 sin theta plus 3 cos theta, isn't it? We can take 3 common and cancel out, okay? 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12 sin theta minus cos theta. 3 4s are 12 sin theta minus 3 into cos theta is 3 cos theta. Here also we take 3 common. 4s are 12 sin theta minus 3 is taken common, so cos theta remains within the bracket. So this 3 and this 3 cancels out. So 4 sin theta minus cos theta, isn't it? So 4 sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. P, what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is 5. And what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is root 61. Minus cos theta, curly brown here, base upon hypotenuse. Base is 6. Hypotenuse is root 61. Hypotenuse is root 61. Whole upon 4 sin theta, again sin theta means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, root 61 minus cos theta means base upon hypotenuse, root 61. Now root 61 common, LCM. 4 5s are 20 minus 6. Since the denominators are same, so the numerator will remain as it is. 4 5s are 20 minus 6, okay, whole upon 4 5s are 20 minus 6. Oh, we have plus here, isn't it? In the denominator plus. This is plus, okay, this is plus, this is plus. 4 5s are 20 plus 6. In the denominator, root 61. Root 61 is the LCM, okay. Now this root 61 cancels out. So this will give us 20 minus 6. 20 minus 6 is 14. 20 minus 6 is 14. 20 plus 6 is 26. Now 2 7s are 14. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 7 upon 13. So this is the answer for question number 2 of 30, okay. You can see here 12 sin theta minus 3 cos theta, 12 sin theta plus 3 cos theta. So this minus is for the numerator and this plus is for the denominator, okay. We took 3 common from the numerator as well as denominator and we cancelled 3. After that 4 sin theta means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 5. Hypotenuse is root 61, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Minus cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Base is 6. Hypotenuse is root 61, base upon hypotenuse. Same thing, 4 sin theta, 4 perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This plus cos theta means base upon hypotenuse. Now root 61 is the LCM in the numerator. So 4 5s are 20 minus this 6. Whole upon root 61 is the LCM in the denominator. 4 5s are 20 plus 6. Okay, root 61 cancels out. 20 minus 6 is 14. 20 plus 6 is 26. Cancels out. So 7 upon 13 is the answer for question number 2 of 30. Okay, we have completed all the questions from this exercise as well. Okay, this was for today. Thank you so much. Stay connected and practice well. Okay, I'll upload the next chapter in the next video. Thank you.